Joining us on the show is Kiya Ghosh, spokesperson BJP West Bengal. We'll also have representation from TMC very soon. But Mr. Ghosh, I want to come to you first. Ms. Ghosh, I want to come to you first. This incident seems to be a part of a series of similar such instances which have not been forgotten from people's memory, come to think of it. Just a year ago, RJ Kaur rape shook the conscience of the nation. Another such case coming to light, this time from a law college.
Right. Just the way you pointed it out, Shweta, it's very disheartening that the wound of RJ Kaur is still raw for all of us, for all of the women in this country, especially for women residing in West Bengal. And right after, just it's not even a year, right after, within a year, such incident has occurred. And this time it is a gang rape. So my question to the current administration, Mamata Banerjee and her police, is that in a state where women are not safe, in a state led by the women chief minister, what is the safety for women in this state? The safety for women, especially in educational institutions. Like you mentioned, Abhaya, she was a student. She was a PGT student. This student, she is a law student. A place where future lawyers would be built. Law is being, demolished, trampled upon. And the worst thing is that the accused, they have been seen with several TMC top-notch leaders. Their association with TMC, which is the reason, no matter they have been arrested, no matter so-called police are taking, lodging case against them. But I'm pretty sure that since they have this TMC stamp behind them, there wouldn't be any harsh cases filed upon them. And I
believe that's for the court to decide once the charges have been established and once the investigation started, it comes to fruition. It's for the court to decide what sort of punishment will be meted out. But you're right there. In a state which is run by a woman chief minister, we expect better.
I don't think so, Shweta. I'm sorry, I disagree with you, because yes, of course, our expectation could be there. But I will remind you of Park Street incident, Park Street rape, which happened way back in 2011. When Mamata Banerjee, she said it was a concocted story. Come to Harshkhali, the dead minor victim, Mamata Banerjee did a character assassination of the dead victim. She said, was she pregnant? Was she drunk? Did she have a boyfriend? So if the chief minister, the supremo of the state, thinks in this way about women or of rape victim, of sexual assault, how do you think that the police will follow?